So you're interested in making money on Instagram, but you don't want to become a selfie queen and take tons of photos of yourself or your food? No problem. Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money from Instagram without taking any pictures. I'll walk you through it step by step so you get a full understanding of exactly what you should do. Now, with what I'll be teaching you, you aren't going to have to create any of your own content, which is a huge plus for most people. But in order to get started, the first thing that you need to do is to choose a niche, a focus for your content. This could be makeup, soccer, motivation, business, travel, fitness, whatever fits you. It's best if you find something that you're actually interested in, as it'll make it easier for you to post consistently and engage on this type of content, but it's actually not required. Now, if you really don't have any specific things that you want to do or you find interesting and you just want to make money, it's okay. You can just choose maybe makeup or fitness for women. That's probably your best option. Instagram is 60% women, and women are more likely to be shoppers and spend more money than men. And accounts that are doing really well are makeup and fitness. So if you just want to make money and you have no specific desires or interest in anything in particular, no problem. Go for females, go for makeup or fitness. When you're choosing your niche, your focus for who your audience is and the type of content you want to create, you really want to go 3 layers deep so that you really know exactly who you're speaking to and your content will be much more effective. So if you think fitness, if you want to go with fitness, then go a little bit deeper. Well, do you want to maybe men or women? And then go another layer deeper and say, maybe in their 30s, moms in their 30s and 40s. This way you know exactly who you're speaking to, you're gonna be crystal clear on the type of content that you're creating, and the people that you're marketing to will hear your message very loud and clear. Now, you need to find content on Instagram, viral content, and that's exactly what you're gonna post on your page. So you don't have to post this yourself. You just find stuff that's viral, that's great content, that fits your niche, your industry, and your focus. Awesome. Use that content. You're giving basically free advertising to whoever created the content. You're always going to recognize where you got the content, give them some props, so that helps them in return. There are accounts with tons of followers making lots of money that don't ever create their own content. They're simply sharing other people's content. So in Instagram, here on my computer, I'm going to show you what this looks like, but you have to find some hashtags that fit your industry. Number one, just to find good content that you should use, but also these are hashtags that you want to put on your content as well. So I'm just going to look up fitness moms. Fitness mom right here. Just over 1 million for uses for the hashtag. We click on it. It's going to show us the top posts for this hashtag. So you can use this, find content that you can repurpose for yourself that fits what you're doing, that you like, and you just give a shout out to the folks that you're grabbing it from. We have a tutorial on Regram. I'll put it right up here if you want some help with how to actually share someone else's content and give them props in the process. Let's take a look at makeup tutorial hashtag to get some more ideas. You're going to be able to see some great posts, some content that you can use for your own page if that's the focus that you want on your Instagram account. But we can also look for additional hashtags this way. So I'm clicking on one of these posts here, and I'm going to actually look at her caption and look for different hashtags that she's using. Take these, write them down, put them in Evernote is what I like to do, so that you know what hashtags you want to use for your account. Use these for looking up content that you can reshare on your own account. And also, when you are resharing content, you want to use these same sorts of hashtags so that you can get on the Explore tab with your posts. To grow your account, getting on the Explore tab is huge, as that will grow your account very rapidly. Here we've got makeup tutorial, eyeshadow tutorial, Sephora. So some different ideas that we can write down and that we can save and use in the future to look up hashtags. I can just click on this and find more things. So you can dive deep into this stuff, looking at all the different hashtags that you can use and grabbing folks' content that you can share to your account. And you can do this at the beginning of the week and set it up for the entire week, or you can do this on a daily basis. You want to post at least once a day, bonus points if you do 2-3 times a day, but your aim should be 1 a day at least. Now you're growing your account. Awesome. How do you actually start monetizing your account? Well, there's really 3 ways. As your account gains followers, once you get into the thousands, you can actually start to sell shout outs. You can promote other people through your account and they will pay you to do that. Obviously, the bigger your account, the more money you're going to make doing this. Now, one of our very favorite ways to do this is through selling affiliate products, using affiliate marketing, where you're simply referring people to other people or companies' products, and you earn a cut of the commissions. Now, As always, we like digital products best because they pay the most. They pay a lot more than physical products. Physical products, you're looking at 5 to 7% of the sales price is what you would make on that as an affiliate. Whereas digital products, you're typically looking at anywhere from 30 to 50% commissions, which you can obviously make a lot more money much quicker when you're working with digital products. So if you can find a digital product that fits your audience, fits what you're doing, that is awesome. I would actually head to clickbank.com if you are not yet signed up with them as an affiliate. It's totally free to join. Once you join, this is what it's going to look like on your screen once you log into your account. Head over to the marketplace, and here's where you can search for different offers. Once you're in the marketplace, you can just browse through the different topics over here in the table of contents on your left, or you can simply search. I'm going to look for women fitness. Then I'm going to sort my results by gravity. Gravity is a rating, a score of how many people that actually check out the sales page and purchase. So the higher the score, the higher the number for gravity, the more likely someone is going to actually purchase if they go to that sales page. So you want to find the highest gravity scores possible to promote. So this first offer here, the average sale is $69. That's how much you're going to make per sale, which is high. That's awesome. It also has a high gravity score, 126. That looks great. As you scroll down, it's going lower and lower, gravity of 97. So start with the highest ones and then look at the offer, see if it's something you can get behind. If you click on the title, it's going to pull up the actual sales page, and this is what you would end up promoting. On the marketplace here, if you want to promote it, you just simply click that promote button. You hit the generate links, and this link here is what you're actually going to use. You can put it behind a bit.ly link or something if you want to make it look a little nicer, but this is actually cookied to you. So when someone clicks on this specific link and they make a purchase, you make money. And on this offer, it's like $70 per sale. That's awesome. So how do you promote this on Instagram? Well, one of the easiest ways is in your website link on your bio. So on this account here, I have no idea who this person is, but they've got a fun makeup account, which all kinds of crazy stuff that's interesting to look at, so we're going to use her. You have one place in Instagram where you can have an active link, a link that people can click on and it takes them to a web page. That is listed in your bio. This right here, if you wanted to promote that affiliate offer, this is where you put that link right here. And then in the description of your bio above, you're going to do two things. You're going to tell people what they're going to get from following you, and you want to get them to click that link in your bio. Now, the very best way to set this up is using some customizable capture pages, actually generating leads before you push them to the sales page. So you'd use something like ClickFunnels or MLSP. You'd create a page where people would actually opt in, put their name and email to get more information. Then that second page is where they would actually see the sales offer. And you can actually look at the sales page to get some good ideas from the copywriting, what they say on this page, grab some of this stuff, put it together on that capture page that you want to generate leads with. If you generate leads, you're building an email list, you can actually create an email follow-up series with these people to help push them into making the sale, and you can get more offers to them over time. Now, another way that you can promote this is through stories. There's actually a couple ways you can do this in stories, but with stories, if you're over 10,000 followers, you can create a story that's telling people about your offer and tell them to swipe up. When they swipe up, it actually links out to your website, whatever link you put in there. So hopefully a capture page and then the sales page. But you can do this more manually. So say you're not at 10,000 followers yet, no problem. You could actually do a poll in your story. You could actually make your offer, like tell them what they're gonna get. What's the benefit? Not what it is, but what the benefit of it is, and see who'd be interested. And you can actually use the poll feature for stories. If they say yes, they're interested, great. Then you can follow up with that person, send them a message, a direct message through Instagram, and that's where you can get them the link and follow up with them so they make that purchase. Now, the third way that you can make money on Instagram is actually by selling your own products. Obviously, we just talked about affiliate products and selling digital products. You can make up to 50% commissions on that. That's awesome. But how would you like to make 100% commissions? Even better. I would definitely say start with affiliate products. That's going to get you money faster. But over time, as you get more comfortable with what you're doing, you have more experience, and you're ready to create your own digital products, fabulous, do it. And then you sell it the same way you sell the affiliate products, you get to make all the money instead of a cut of the money. So it's even better. So in the example I was talking through, maybe women who are interested in fitness, they're in their 30s or 40s, trying to get their pre-baby body back, finding an affiliate offer like the one we pulled up, that would probably be a great thing to start with. Over time, I could actually put together my very own workout program or diet program or something like that in a digital format. PDF downloads, videos, whatever it is, put that together and sell that. And that's how you go from 30 to 50% commissions to basically 100% commission. And you can drastically scale up your income. Now, what if you want to start making money today before you have a following? Okay, you can do it. You can actually pay an influencer, someone who has a larger account on Instagram, to promote your offer for you. So if you have your capture page set up for that affiliate offer, that would be the link that you would give them, have them promote it for you, and you can start making sales on day one. Obviously, there's a cost involved with that, but if you want to get things rolling, that's how you can speed up the process. Another way to speed things up is to use paid advertising with Instagram. You can boost some of your posts, you can grow your following and get more engagement through paid ads on Instagram as well. That's going to speed up what would happen naturally and organically. You can do that if you throw some money in some ads. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, I definitely mentioned that digital products are the best way to go. Now, for our #1 recommended training to help you become successful with affiliate marketing, to learn how to master online marketing, make sure that you click the link at the top of the description so you can get access. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to our channel, you're gonna have to subscribe so that we can help you do that. Make sure to say hi in the comments so we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Head over to this video that's floating up above my head, and I'll see you soon.